Hello everybody, welcome back to our 37 Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix headphones not detected on your VIVO X200 FE. So first, check your headphones and test them with another device to make sure that they're working and that there are no issues. You guys can also check for any damage on the headphones or debris that may be stuck inside them, preventing them from working properly. And what you guys can also do is restart the phone. So hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Now let's click restart, and now our phone is restarting. So all we gotta do is wait a couple of seconds and I'll see you guys once the phone is fully restarted. Now after the restart, you guys can try another pair of headphones to test and rule out any issues with your original ones. So after that, what you guys can do is check for software updates to maybe that will fix the issue. So basically go over the settings, so go right here. Now in those settings, scroll a bit down until you guys see the system update. Now as you guys can see, we have the latest system version. It will check automatically, so if you do not have the latest version, I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important. And after that, if nothing else worked, then it might be either the headphones issue or the phone's issue. So it might be the hardware issue, and basically I would consider visiting a service center for a checkup. And that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.